Hello viewers, hope you are all well. Let's start with question number 1. Although today's supply chains tend to be global in scope, a supply chain only needs a few entities to exist. How many entities does a basic supply chain need? A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. The correct answer is C. A basic supply chain only needs three entities: a supplier, a producer, and a customer. Most supply chains today are more complicated and involve many levels of suppliers. Now let's move on to question number 2. There are four basic supply chain flows: the flow of material, the flow of cash, the flow of information, and the flow of A. Logistics, B. Accounting, C. International supply, D. Products return. The correct answer is D, that is products return. The first three supply chain flows deal with the flow from suppliers to manufacturer to the customers. The fourth flow is about customer returns for repair, disposal, and recycling. This fourth flow is a critical flow in many industries. The efficiency of this flow can have dramatic impact on the bottom line. Now let's see what we have in question number 3. Which of the following would be considered the least important part of a supply chain? A. Highway contractor, B. Utilities company, C. Information technology department, D. Machinery supplier. The correct answer is A. Highway contractor. The highway contractor would be the least likely to be included in the supply chain. Although the highways are necessary for the flow of trucking, they would be considered outside the supply chain flow. There are many functions outside the supply chain flow which contribute to the effective flow of the supply chain. Some of those might include government agencies, universities, and associations. Question number 4. The purpose of supply chain management is to A. Lower cost, B. Create value, C. Move materials faster, D. Eliminate non-value activities. The correct answer is B. The purpose of supply chain management is to create value. Managing the supply chain in a major corporation is a complicated endeavor. The purpose is to create value throughout the supply chain. The other answers are methods to create value. Question number 5. A supply chain is not a legal entity, but it still needs to be managed in order to be successful for all entities in the chain. The firm that manages the supply chain is called the A. Channel master, B. Tier 1 firm, C. Primary master firm, D. Value chain master. The correct answer is A. Successful supply chains will have a channel master, also called the supply chain master. That is generally the strong firm in the chain. It could be a manufacturer or strong retailer, like Walmart comes to mind when we talk about this, the strong retailer that drives the supply chain to increase the value in the chain for the benefit of all the companies in the chain. Question number 6. The SCOR model, supply chain operations reference model, has 5 process flows. Which of the following is not one of the process flows? A. Plan, B. Deliver, C. Source, D. Value. The correct answer is D. The SCOR model has 5 defined process flows. They are plan, source, make, deliver, and return. Question number 7. The return process is a key supply chain process. However, companies often pay little attention to it. Which of the following is not part of the return process? A. Disposing of product, B. Reconditioning product, C. Developing service leads, D. Accessing defective product. The correct answer for this one is C. Developing service leads. Developing leads to grow a service management business would be a sales and marketing function. Question number 8. In order to improve the efficiency of the supply chain, an organization must refocus on improving the A. Data, B. Systems, C. Personnel, D. Processes. The correct answer obviously is D. In order to improve the efficiency of the supply chain, an organization must focus on the processes. This takes the focus away from functional silos and directs them to the supply chain. To do this, the suppliers must be involved in the improvement as partners with both parties, company and suppliers sharing in the benefits. Question number 9. The customer relationship management process includes all of the following activities except A. Delivery of the right product at the right time, B. Locate customers, C. Evaluate profit potential, D. Determine products and services to sell. The correct answer is A. Customer relationship management process includes locating customers, identifying products and services which add value to customers, accessing the potential profitability of the customer, and developing relationships with customers that are long lasting and mutually satisfactory. Delivering the right product at the right time is an order fulfillment process. Question number 10. The primary function of customer service is to A. Take orders, B. Ensure deliveries, C. Ensure customer satisfaction, D. Make sure manufacturing meets dates. The correct answer for this one is C. The primary function of the customer service department is to ensure the customer is satisfied and remains loyal to the company. This ensures the customer maintains a long-term relationship. Question number 11. A major cause of disruption in the supply chain is the uncertainty of A. Supply, B. Weather, C. Demand, D. Inventory accuracy. The correct answer is C. The uncertainty of customer demand more than any other factor causes significant disruption in the supply chain. It causes larger inventories, inefficient plant operations, shortages in products, higher costs, raw materials shortages, and inefficient staffing. If customer demand was known, many problems would disappear. Question number 12. To combat the uncertainty of customer demand, some companies have made changes to the way they provide their suppliers with information. Which of the following is the best way to take uncertainty out of the supply chain? A. Use sampling of customer purchases at the customer's location. B. Utilize Nielsen data for the previous month to know what sold. C. Develop automated forecasts based on history. D. Provide register data to suppliers so they know what is selling. The correct answer is obviously D. Many retailers like Walmart, for example, provide their point of sale data to suppliers so they are able to determine what is actually selling at the store level. This allows the suppliers to make adjustments throughout the supply chain to match the real customer demand. Viewers, if you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell icon. Thank you.